In this video, we are going to see how we can add the TikTok link to your Discord account and link the two accounts easily. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. All you have to do is just open up the Discord application first and just open up your profile page from the bottom where you see your username. Click on that. And from here, you just scroll all the way down where you see this settings or gear icon at the bottom right hand corner. Click on that. And from here, we will find out the connections. That's right here in the account settings. And you can connect it with any application. So let's say I want to connect it with TikTok. We'll click on +16 or +18, whatever shows up here. And from here, we will select TikTok. Now it will ask you for the TikTok credentials. You can click on use TikTok app. You log in with the TikTok application. And as you can see, Discord application wants to access your TikTok account. Click on continue. And after that, they should be linked. Otherwise, what you can do is just try some other things, like you can continue with Google account and use the same credentials for the Discord application or the TikTok, whatever it asks for. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.